Okay, good morning. Time now to water the plants. So normally I use the red can, for all the balcony plants, and in the interest of saving water, I prefer to use the reject water from the RO, but it's not necessary. You can use the regular tap water. And we first do the master bedroom ka balcony. So when we get here, there's a slight trick to each of these doors. This jali wala door may sometimes give you trouble. तो आप यहाँ पे आके उसको यहाँ से push करेंगे तो वो uniformly push होगा. So this balcony has very few plants and not all of them need to be watered. So I'm watering this. I'm watering what needs to be watered today, and then some of them will not need to be watered for the next 2 to 3 days. So we start with the tulsi. And because there is moisture in the air, so not a lot of watering is required. That's about enough. Then we go to the shami. That's about enough. Pudina needs a lot of water always. So just make sure that pudina gets lots of water. And this is also a water-friendly plant, but just about this much. Aloe does not need to be watered every day, but just about this is okay. And it is important to douse the leaves a little bit in water, just so that they get a little bit of a wash. इनका shower हो गया. That's it. ठीक है? तो इसके बाद भी can में there'll be a little bit of water left. This is a succulent. It does not need to be watered every day, so that's fine. And that's about it for this balcony. Now we take the can back, and ideally I would like to fill it up with the RO water right now, because the RO is more than half empty already and I don't want to waste that water. So this takes about a minute and a half, so I can do this, and in the meanwhile I'll go and do something else. So while that can is being filled, I'll go and take care of the indoor plants. Indoor plants don't need a lot of water. In fact, there are only about 4 pots that need watering, and that is also not on a daily basis. एक दिन skip करके. So one is this, and just a little bit. That's about it. Second is this. Third is this, and fourth is this. That is about it. The other thing that also needs to be done is to use this spray, and we go and spray all the leaves of the pothos and the indoor plants, just so they have adequate moisture sitting on them. That's all. That's it. इतनी देर में this watering can is adequately filled, so we now go to the living room balcony. So the door here is also slightly tricky. Acha, there are chappals in each balcony because I do not want to use ghar ke chappal outside in the balcony. So this door will not open from here at all. It has to be pushed from this side only. So quick change of chappals, and we start with the tulsi. And as you can see, there's water in the tray, so that means they don't need a lot of watering right now. They're retaining whatever water they require and dispelling whatever they don't need. So this is tulsi number 1. Tulsi number 2 is here in the second pot. Tulsi number 3 is here. This is just the sequence that I like to follow. It's a bandana thing. Tulsi number 4, 5, 6, 7 are all here. They're all brothers and sisters. And Tulsi number 8 is intertwined with this money plant, with the pothos. So that's it. Once we're done with that, then we can take care of the others. So there's a pothos here, and nothing needs a lot of water right now, just a little bit, thankfully. 2, 3. These are dead unfortunately, but I'm still watering the soil because I'm going to be using the soil and planting something else in there. Jade in the back. Jade does not need a lot of water again. My air plant needs to be washed. It likes a little bit of water. And then there is pudina growing here. Pudina always wants a lot of water, so pudina mein pani dal sakte hain jitna marzi. Okay, and now we'll go and refill the can. In the meanwhile, we can make some chai. The second can is also ready, and now let's go take care of the remaining plants. So again, we quickly do a chappal switch actually. And now because it's been raining, they just need a light sprinkling, not a lot of dousing them with water, except for pudina. Pudina likes a lot of water. And this is palak. Palak also does not mind water. So this is the big pudina pot that requires a lot of water, almost half the can. And the ferns like water as well, but not a lot, just enough. This is ajwain and another morning glory that's growing here. This needs some water. This one adjacent to this is adenium. Adenium does not need to be watered every day. Aloe needs a little bit of water on the sides, that's about it. And this fancy ass grass also needs just a little bit of water. And baki jo bacha hai is can mein, I'm just going to pour it over the pothos. That's all. And that's it. That's the extent of what we need to do. Thank you.